Hi class, my name is Jeff. I'm your instructor. I wanted to give you a little preview of the Canvas classroom. It could be a little bit different than what you've used before, or you might not even have used Canvas before. It's the classroom for us in Grace Harbor. So looking at the main menu here, we have that's our main menu, and then you have the things like the syllabus, announcements, discussions, grades, and those are the main things. And so you want to check on those. Okay, and then of course the home page. Alright, so you can look at the syllabus, look at the announcements every day of maybe 5 days a week, just so you don't miss something important. And so if I click on the announcements, you'll see what's there. There's the welcome to biology, and then day 1, July 1 is what your announcement is for today, the first day of class. And then I put another one that tells you to put in your biography. Alright, so the biography is in the discussions menu. So once you've checked the announcements, the next thing you should check is the discussions. And then here's our biography discussion. And the biography, you'll see there is some things that you can put down, and then if you want to post your biography, which you are encouraged to do, you'll get 5 bonus points, by the way. You want to click on reply, and then you can put your type in your biography, a little bit about yourself there, and then post it. Alright, and then grades, I won't click on that because it shows everybody's names and stuff, but you can click on grades, and that'll show you where you've, in your view, it'll just be your grades, and it'll show you, what points have been scored so far. There is a chat feature if you want to chat with a classmate, or if you want to set up a chat for your instructor, you can do that too. E-tutoring is available as well. Now, where is everything that you really need? So you need to check the announcements and check the discussions every day, 5 days a week. And then where your assignments are is on the home page. And so the home page gives you, welcome to GHC, start here. That gives you some things to look at first. And then we're going to ask you to do a safety contract quiz. And so that just goes through the safety rules for a laboratory, because you're going to do some of the labs at home, or all of the labs at home. And so you need to have some basic understanding of lab safety. Now, these are kitchen chemistry labs, so we just use things that are found in a typical house, like in a typical kitchen, so they're generally pretty safe, but still you want to follow the rules. Okay, and so once you get going, you want to know where things are, you go to the week module 1. And so it's going to last from July 1, today, to July 13th, which is next Monday. And it ends on the near midnight, 11:59 p.m. That's when everything is due. You have one assignment, or one due date, and that's 11:59 p.m. Monday. And so in that week 1, you'll find the to-do list for the week. Here is a list of where you're going to get your points. And then here's the things to do for the week. Okay. If I go back there, and then I look at Module 1 again, there is your textbook. So the textbook, the key thing about that, when you click on that link, is you go to a specific region of the page. So you don't go over here. You do not go over here to sign in. You go over here. You check the robot. I'm not a robot. And then you can enter the course. Now, if you've done it for the first time, you'll have to check, a picture and mark off boxes that are stoplights or crosswalks or whatever. They'll have a little clue in there for you to, a little game for you to play. But once you've done it once, and as long as you don't refresh your browser or clear your history, you should be fine and not have to do it again. Then you enter the course, and this is your textbook. Unit 1, you click on that, and then you can read the welcome part, or you can click on the number, or you can just, once you're in it, we'll click on welcome. Once you're in it, then you just click on the arrows to go to the next page, or you can go up to the introduction. It's a really good textbook for online, and it was free for you guys. It's written by Carnegie Mellon University staff, and so it's been a great book for us to use here. Alright, so going back to our page, so home page is something you're going to do all your work through to find all your assignments. And then let's go back there again. You're going to see that there is here's your textbook chapter or unit 1, and then you have a PowerPoint lecture on that, and then you have some extra material, and then you have a lab. Here's the Yeasty Beasties lab. It takes you to the link to do the lab. And then how do you write a lab report? There's a written version of it. There's a how to write a lab report video. And then this is where you submit the lab, right here where it says lab report. This is where you'll take the weekly quiz over unit 1. Some weeks you'll have 2 quizzes. The first week you only have 1. This is where you go to access the discussion forum, or you can just go up to discussions and go to it there. Alright, so that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.